Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do some track maintenance on Charlie's Gehl Z55. This is also a Yanmar VIO 55 if I'm not mistaken. We've got our setup here with the trusty forklift. We use these things daily. The carrier roller on both sides decided to remove itself. I've got the old pins out and just did a quick Google on Yanmar VIO 55 or Gehl Z55 track carrier rollers and came up with this. Interestingly, on I think Friday Night Parts, I will drop a link below if I remember to. They said there was a Type 1 and a Type 2. I think Type 1 or Type 2 had this shoulder on it, and this one does not have the shoulder. I specifically ordered the one with the shoulder. So I don't know. I don't know why the shoulder would matter much on this. I'm going to just try to install these. They look to be the same size. Whoops. They look to be the same size here. So I'm going to install these. I'm going to anti-seize them. Pardon the background noise. We've got a stonemason working on the large storage building, and then over on this wall we have a roofing crew putting in some new roofing, so background noise is going to be what it's going to be. I polished off the coating they have on this because you know that's going to screw you over trying to get it into the original bore. And another quick thing, the old roller on these looks to be just about right, so hopefully this all works. As you can see, this one is poogied. I think this machine has about 1,500 hours on it, and I think that would be a good judge on getting these replaced. Not sure how the lower rollers are, but I don't see any issues yet. Quick note, I normally only use standard stuff, or SAE. 15/16 seems to work on this. I believe the crossover would be 24 millimeter. There's only a few thousandths difference between those. 15/16 works like a charm. Anti-seize is your friend. This is on an excavator. We have a slit right here that's going to gather material and dirt and grime. As you can see, the bolt is already worse for wears. Anti-seize, anti-seize, anti-seize. Axle grease works as well. I just like the aluminum properties in this because it doesn't allow this to bond to one another. So we're going to goop the dickens out of this. Extra goopy. I goopified everything, including the bolt. And I'm going to slide this through. And then I'm going to do the nut. Extra goopy goop. Everywhere. All of the goopy goop. Yep, we're in. Right in line with this. This is about where the other one was wearing. So, good deal. That's fixed. Rinse and repeat on the other side. Got good contact on our cleats in there. Both sides look about the same. Did our maintenance log right in the machine. that's fixed. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.